I'm Leroy, the rodeo clown,
I'm Malachi, the generic Viking.
and this is
Barbecuenbourbon. Holiday edition.
Halloween edition. All right, boys,
Oh,
girls, ladies, and gents,
oh,
we got a good one in for you today. We're doing beef ribs
Beef ribs. Smoked beef ribs.
with veggie skewers.
Veggie skewers. And then we're also going to put some biscuits in a Dutch oven and cooking them up over an open fire.
It's gonna be good.
Yes.
And we're pairing that with
Weller. As you can see by our laughter, we're well into the bottle. Happy Halloween!
Shall we cook?
We shall.
Let's cook.
Let's cook.
All right. Ribs been setting a few hours, getting nice and juicy. The AP and the Salt Lick Dry Rub Original is what we're using for seasoning today. Got the pellet grill set up at, hold on a second. So good. 250 degrees. We're going to throw these on there for a few hours. It's going to be delicious.
All right, Leroy.
You're going to get this open. Hey, it's going to put some baby tallow on there.
Ooh.
Those are looking dangerous there.
Little beef tallow on there. Wagyu. Give it that little extra
Nummy num.
layer of flavor.
Mm.
You know how Leroy likes his flavors. Look at that. That looks good. Num and nums.
Malachi, what do you think of this Weller Special Reserve?
Well, Leroy, this is gonna be difficult. All I know is I've got a big ass bottle of this at my house. It's good stuff.
It's a weeded bourbon.
It is definitely a weeded bourbon, 90 proof. Buffalo Trace is the distiller. This is some good stuff here. It's very drinkable.
It is.
On my nose, I get caramel, honey, and a slight fruity or floral note.
Yeah, I definitely get honey, and I definitely sweet floral type note off the nose.
Oh, honey, caramel.
I don't get a lot of caramel. Definitely get a
No,
lot of honey.
not a lot.
Definitely. And some kind of fruit.
Yeah, I get the fruit or floral, however you want to put it. I couldn't tell you what kind of fruit, but
No, it's definitely, it has to be some kind of light fleshed fruit, you know what I mean?
yes.
It's very good. Definitely easily could become a daily drinker. I mean, it's...
Oh yeah, and it's a very not too expensive bottle.
No, now, so it used to be everywhere. And then, you know, as Buffalo Trace expanded their Weller stuff, you know, they added the antique, the Weller full proof, all this. But now it's become like a thing. So now it's harder to find on the regular. When you do find it, though, it is very affordable.
Yeah.
Which is really nice. It's kind of got a warming finish on it, but the honey kind of
very
carries through
slight
everything.
oak finish.
Yeah,
on
very
the
slight.
back of the palate.
It's just a really nice, mild whiskey, 80 proof.
That's 90.
Is that 90 proof?
Yeah, that's 90.
Oh, dadgum. 90 proof, 45% ABV.
Yep. Yep. Good stuff right there.
I wish it was more available. So our local specs, they get this in probably twice a year, and they put it behind the counter, so you got to be one of their members. But you know the price is, like you said, it's like $24 for this bottle. I think the big bottle is like,
Yeah, like 50 or 60. I can't remember exactly. I got the big bottle.
but it's really good. It's delicious, and if you can find it, it's awesome.
It is. It is tasty. That
And
is for sure.
It's probably more available, I'd say, probably in Kentucky areas close to.
Oh yeah, to where it's actually distilled.
Yeah, down here in
Yeah.
Texas, it's not quite as readily available, but it is very tasty. And it has an undisclosed mash bill, but we know that it's got to be the second biggest portion of it has to be wheated has to have wheated to be considered a wheated bourbon. So
Yep.
the mash bill will definitely have a lot of corn, and then some wheat, and then probably malted barley.
Probably. No clue. All I know is it drinks easy.
Ooh, well, Malachi, should we finish up our cooking?
Yes, we should finish up our cooking.
All right. All right, we got our biscuits. We pulled our temped up oven off of there, Dutch oven. Just place those biscuits nicely around in here like this. Now, we didn't make these from scratch. These are grands. But you know what? Sometimes that's just easier. All right, now we're going to go ahead and put them back on the fire.
So we got some vegetables: red bell pepper, green bell pepper, yellow squash, zucchini, mushrooms, and some purple onion. We are going to put over our open fire. Give a little spritz of olive oil here. And of course, you know we like our flavors. Our AP, salt, pepper, garlic. Quite literal with it. Give them a spin. Spin. To the other side.
How's it looking yummy, Bill?
Oh, they're going to be great over an open fire. My AP wasn't sticking there.
Looking
There we
good.
go. All right. We're going to slap these on the grill over here. All right, these veggies are about done.
Yeah, don't worry about that little bit of ash that's getting in there. That's just another layer of flavor.
That's so right. Oh, yeah, they are. Look at that. Sliding all up and down these skewers.
Oh, look at those bad boys.
Look at that. Bend with no breakage.
Perfect.
Ooh, juice.
I tell you what, not bad for a blind white Viking.
All right, y'all. Our ribs are off. We get a good bend without breaking. Ooh, look at that.
Juice flowing out.
Mmm. Look at that. Yeah. All right, y'all, our biscuits. I checked them once already. Oh, freaking perfect. Look at that.
Oh, that is nice.
All right, we got to get these off of here. I need a glove.
Here you go.
Oh, thank you, sir. Well, Leroy.
Malachi, the generic Viking. It's looking good. Oh my gosh, the smell coming off of this stuff. Woo!
I cannot wait any longer.
Me neither. Oh gosh, you know what? They definitely need to like and subscribe.
Oh, hit that bell icon so you get more videos
More of
coming
this
your
tasty
way.
stuff. That's right.
Pull off the bone. Tender. Oh,
Look at that. Clean bite. Perfect. Oh my gosh.
oh, that's good.
Mm,
I'm going to use that rub again. That's good rub.
it is. Mm. Wow. That's perfect bite. See how clean that came off there? Wow.
Oh, I guess I should be using my beard as a napkin.
Hey, if you're gonna do it right, then come on.
I'm a generic Viking, so
Okay, okay.
got a napkin. You know, we got to keep it nice for the 4 ladies that watch.
Taste that. Right? Wow.
That goes really good with them ribs.
Yeah, incredible good. Mm. Mm. That's a great bite of squash.
That's done perfect.
Mm.
I want some pepper, bell pepper.
Still got that nice crunch on it.
Uh-huh.
Mm. Okay. You know I got to get me some of this biscuit. Mm. Mm.
Oh, Granny's biscuits. Gotta love them.
Mm. Wow.
That's really good. Well, Leroy?
Malachi, the generic Viking.
If you run,
May you run in the clouds.
if you fight,
May you fight for your lover's heart.
and if you drink,
May you drink with us.
Happy Halloween, everybody.
Woohoo! I'm Leroy, the rodeo clown.
Oh, fucking Leroy, huh? Leroy, rodeo clown. I like that. I have no idea who the hell I am right now.
Okay, we ready to try this again?
No, but hold on a minute. All right, go for it.
I'm Leroy, the rodeo clown. I'm Leroy, the rodeo clown.
Son of a bitch, dude.